Just pause for a moment, make sure that sinks in, ready to get it. Altoona.
Altoona.
Yeah. So that was doubly good.
Doubly good. That was very nicely done. Very nicely done. Which could use, this could use a little help though, the weather. We've had this flood advisory that normally would come with an expiration time. This one comes with an until further notice. And this is because of last week's rain. That's because of this week's rain, or today. And some more precipitation's coming in later this week in the form of a mix of snow and rain and sleet and freezing rain, and that could just push some of those spots over the edge and put some water up on the North Shore, and potentially by Saturday spill a little more water onto the 10th Street bypass. So those are a couple things we're watching with that flood advisory that's in play until further notice. But when it comes to rain tonight, anything left over is going to be more of a spotty natured rain and pretty light. And you can see how this is just moving across the area here and there, and this will continue to be the case until this cold front passes, which is going to be happening around 3-4 o'clock through Pittsburgh. And you can see it does come with one last long stretched out band of rain, and then we'll dry it up into early tomorrow morning. And I think tomorrow comes in dry. However, the temperatures will be falling through the day, and that colder air is just going to sit in place. And with that colder air here, the next system that lifts in from the south is going to push up a couple different types of precipitation. I should say a few types of precipitation. You can see here by 7 a.m. Thursday, maybe a couple little snow showers along PA's southern border, but as we head through the day, we're going to see some moisture lifting in here, and by the time we're into Thursday late afternoon, Thursday evening, we're going to see this precipitation lifting up. It's going to start off as snow and lift up to the north. Then it's going to turn into a mix of snow, sleet, and potentially freezing rain, which is that icy glaze, and then we're going to follow that up with some rain. That rain does try to eventually lift into Pittsburgh for a bit before it shifts back into the sleet and freezing rain and then back over to snow. And when you have the wet stuff mixed in with this precipitation, that keeps totals down, but it does come with its own set of problems. Number one, the freezing rain and the snow parts of this could lead to some poor road conditions, even with smaller amounts of snow accumulation. And then, of course, since there's going to be a rain element to this, additional flooding is a concern heading late into Friday into the weekend when we're expecting those rivers to crest again. Tonight, 45. We're going to see those breezy conditions with mainly light rain left over until that front passes. Tomorrow, that's the highest part of the day, the temperature when you wake up, 45 degrees. And during the daytime hours, those temperatures are going to slip. But to be honest, the high temperature for the day is going to occur at midnight. From there, the temperatures are going to slide all the way through the day. Look how this works. We see those temperatures upper 30s and low 40s during the afternoon, and those temperatures are going to continue to slip into the day tomorrow. Now, Thursday and Friday, it's the upper 30s with that wintry mix. Into the weekend, cooler with a few flurries on Sunday, and then Monday and Tuesday, you're looking at some quiet conditions.